Friends, in the previous lecture, I have defined equations of Volterra predator prey equations. Now we have to solve it. Okay, the solution of this is to stability of this is. Let us suppose that solution of these equations. Yes. Let us suppose that x is equal to xt and y is equal to yt is the solution of system 1. Yes, let us suppose that this one. Now, from equation 1, it is clear that from equation 1, yes, we have dx. This is dx by dt is equal to this one, dy by dt is equal to this thing. So dx can be written as dx. This can be written as x by a minus by. Yes, this is equal to dt, and similarly from here is dy by dy by, yes, minus of y, c minus dx is equal to dt. So it is clear that so this implies that these equations are equal, that is dx by x a minus by is equal to dy by minus y c minus dx. Yes. Now to solve this equation, we make it in variable separable form, that is this can be written as, or this can be written as dx dy, taking the dy coefficient and dx on one side, that is a minus by divided by y, yes, dy is equal to minus of c minus dx and divided by x. Yes. Now integrating we get yes, you can solve it a by y, that is log y minus of by. Then you can say that a log y minus by is equal to minus, yes, c by x, that is c log x plus dx here x is dx, not dx, like that, plus log k, and k is any constant. Yes. So this can again be written as in exponential taking form, then y to the power a e to the power minus by, yes, is equal to k x to the power minus c e to the power d and x. Yes, let us suppose that this equation number is 2, and therefore if we take the points x naught at a point t is 0, that is x naught, this is equal to x naught, and similarly for y 0 y naught. Yes, so we have k, yes, k is equal to x naught c y naught c a and e to the power minus of d x0 minus b y0. Yes. And to solve the equation number 2, we suppose that to solve equation 2, we suppose that z is equal to y to the power a and e to the power minus by, and similarly omega this is equal to k times x to the power minus c and e to the power dx. Yes, substituting this, and now we can solve it. Now we make the equation 1 we make the equation number 1 in the linear form, that is like that. Equation 1 in the linear form. Yes, we make the equation number 1 in the, now we make equation 1 in linear form. That is dx by dt, this is equal to x a minus by. Let us this is f of xy, and similarly dy by dt, this is equal to y minus of c plus dx. Let us this is gxy. We make the system to be an autonomous system. Yes, for the critical points, for the critical points we make f of xy is 0, and similarly g of xy, this is equal to 0 for the autonomous body. And now to find out the critical points, we get this is equal to 0, then y is equal to a by b and x is equal to c by d. Yes, then x and the values of x and y are c by d and a by b are called equilibrium populations. Yes, this is a special case only for the foxes and rabbits. Now this is a special case. Yes, a special case. Yes, only for rabbits and foxes. Now therefore we generalize in the general case. Therefore for the general case, we put x is equal to, yes, c by d. Yes, here x is this one, y is this one, so c by d plus x for the generalized. And similarly y is equal to a by b plus capital Y. So to solve these equations, yes, to solve this, now the equation 1 becomes, yes, the equation number 1, the system 1, the equation 1 becomes dx by dt, yes, is equal to, substituting x which is here is c by d plus x, that is c by d plus x a, yes, a minus b and at the place of y we substitute a by b, yes, a by b plus y, yes, this one. And similarly for dy by dt, yes, dy by dt, this can be written as y minus c plus dx, yes, that is y, substituting y is a by b plus y, yes, plus y minus c plus d, c by d plus x, yes, this one. Now solving these equations we get, or dx by dt, solving this equation we get dx by dt, this is equal to minus bc by dy and minus bxy, and also dy by dt you get a d by b x plus d xy. Yes. Let us suppose another equation. Let us suppose that the equation number is 2. Now, for linearization, we assuming that for linearization, assuming that if x and y are small, then xy term can be neglected, can be xy term can be negligible, yes, can be treated as negligible. Yes, hence we get xy terms, and now we get dx by dt is equal to minus of this one, that is we get dx by dt, this is equal to only minus of bc by dy, yes, and similarly for dy by dt, this is equal to at by bx, yes. Let us, this equation is 3. Now from the equation numbers 3 we find, or dy by, yes, dx, dividing these two equations we get minus a d square by b square, yes, c x by y. Integrating this equation we get, yes, integrating we get y square, y taking here is this one, therefore y dy, and xy, that is we get y square, yes, here is y square by 2 is equal to minus of ad square by b square c, and x square by 2, yes, plus any constant, let us this be square is constant is c square, this is any constant, yes, this be any constant. So if you this equation can another be written as, yes, in the next place I can define, then this equation can be written as a, yes, d square x square plus b square c y square is equal to c square, yes, and this equation represent, this is a family of ellipse. If we dividing this equation, this x square by a square plus y square by b, y square by b square is equal to 1. Therefore, this equation, this is a family of ellipses centered at the origin in xy plane. Yes, therefore the system is stable. Yes, clear this lecture. Here actually in this Volterra prediction equations, only first we have obtained only for, here is only for small x, that is we have obtained only foxes and rabbits. Now for generalization this equation we substituting capital X, and now to the system is stable, so we suppose that x is equal to this plus this and y is equal to this critical point plus y, and now we see here the equation is become ellipse, that is the system is stable. So we can say that from this model, for the struggling of two species is a stable process. Yes, thank you please. Okay.